The Best Men's Rain Pants, Top 5. 2020 Buying Guide. A good pair of rain pants are essential gear that will help keep you dry, warm and comfortable while performing your favorite outdoor activity. In this video, we have found some of the best available so that you can choose the perfect pair for your next trip. To make this top 5 of the best rain pants, we have analyzed 2,832 customer reviews and looked through 400 products. You will find all the links to the products shown in this review in the description below the video. At number 5 is the Ultralight 2 water-resistant breathable rain suit from Togs.
Hey everybody, we all know Togs as a quality, affordable rainwear provider. Today I want to talk to you about our Ultralight products. That's our UL line. The Ultralight 2 suit is actually, by volume, the best-selling product that Togs makes. We really appreciate the consumers' trust and faith in our brands and products, and just wanted to tell you a little bit about why this product is one of our best sellers. It's constructed from a 2-ply polypropylene material. You've got an interior polypropylene fiber. The exterior is your polypropylene film, and this film is what gives the product its color, but it also is what gives it its water holdout and breathable properties. This is what keeps you dry and comfortable when you're wearing this product. It's a no-frills jacket. It's extremely lightweight and very packable. As a matter of fact, the jacket comes in this 2-quart self-material stuff sack. So you're putting an entire rain suit, jacket and pants into a 2-quart stuff sack. It is a full zip front jacket. It has elastic cuffs at the wrist. It's got a full hood with drawstring adjustment. The pants for the jacket are a straight leg design, large leg and foot openings to allow for easy on and off with shoes or boots. It also features an elastic waist that keeps it tight, keeps it from falling down on you when you put it on. These are an inexpensive, great way to be protected from the rain and wind when you're not really expecting it. These travel well. We hope you pick a couple up for your next adventure.
Number 4. Men's Water and Wind Resistant Pants from Trailside Supply Co. Number 3. Men's Hiking Pants from Jessie Kiddin. Number 2. Rain Pants for Men from Navis Marine. Number 1. Men's Rebel Roamer Pant from Colombia.
If you are out in this mess, you need protection. Fortunately, you're wearing Omnitech waterproof breathable technology. This specially formulated membrane works to keep water out and let moisture escape, so you can stay dry, comfortable, and protected in whatever the weather throws your way.
Thanks for watching. Did this video help you find what you were looking for? Please like to let us know. Thanks. And don't miss our next video. Remember to hit the subscribe button now. Finally, also take a look at these other outdoor gear guides.